and hear many more spectacular performance exhaust options for this vehicle or any other vehicle you wish. It's all on our famous YouTube channel. Simply go to our incredible YouTube channel, click on the playlist tab, and find your vehicle's playlist. Then buckle up. Since 1978, Kinney's has been producing some of the nation's finest performance exhaust. We've gotten to know hundreds of amazing customers from all across this great nation. Don't hesitate to contact us for your personalized performance exhaust needs. Check out the QR code at the end of this video to find out just what you've been missing. Kinney's has and always will offer free courtesy trouble code readings and exhaust inspections. Forget that Kinney's gift certificates and gift cards are a great gift idea all year round. Hand out these kind of awards like candy on Halloween, but they've awarded Kinney's as one of the very highest rated and best reviewed businesses on Yelp.
Kinney's Street Demon and Tunnel Ram Performance Mufflers, found only at Kinney's Performance Exhaust Center.
Don't forget, Kinney's offers K&N and AFE Performance Cold Air Kits. Add even more performance and efficiency to your vehicle with guaranteed horsepower. Kinney's has your air kit in stock right now.
Quality beyond the everyday muffler shop. The nation's premier performance exhaust center, Kinney's.
The quality goes in before this name goes on. So often copied, yet never duplicated. Everyone deserves the quality of Kinney's.